Thank you guys so much for tuning in once again. Carpentry with Chris. First time here, subscribe. Don't forget to share, give it a like, and enjoy the video.
Bottom rope of tagline. Got my measurements. Gotta think ahead. Probably gonna use this. Let's use these 2x4s. There's a flat surface to hold this on. That way I'm not gonna cut the floor. But at least try not to. Found a piece of wood. Wrote down my measurements. 4 at 16 inches by 4 feet. So this is already automatically 4 feet. So I'm not gonna waste my time measuring that. By 16. Square, that's a triangle. Alright. Line it up. From one end to the other. And this is how it's gonna look. Kind of being flush right there. So I'm gonna screw those in. I'll screw it in with the impact gun. Alright, so let me use the ladder. I put the screws in beforehand. Don't complicate it after. Okay, so finally put the screws in on for this one. Do 45-degree cuts. So I'm gonna have to loosen this part right here. This top part has to go to the 45. So the 45 line is, it is right there. Tighten it. You see that? The top part of this in the 45. Tighten that. Make sure this is tight too. Cutting, you want to give a little bit extra space, so I'm gonna do 1. And then after I'm done cutting this one, I'm gonna use this one as a template. I want to line it up. This one you're gonna use where the 45 degree is. So it starts from right there. Key thing right here with cutting 45s is the clutch. It gets stuck sometimes. Essentially where this one is at. This one here. See right there, it gets stuck, so right here you're gonna look at that. Practice with it. Usually I already saw with the clutch how you lift it high. Same thing. Start bringing this one up. This is how it looks after they pour concrete and they after all that rebar, all that stuff, this is how it looks after concrete pour. Amazing job for the cement masons. Really good work. Shout out to all the cement masons out there. You guys are the real hard workers. If you guys know you guys are gonna open a door constantly, often, get a carabiner and get like one of these extendable kind of keychains. Boom, don't complicate it. And you just tuck it back in your pants.
That's all for this week. Thank you so much for tuning in day in after day in, and also putting in the valuable time in your life to watch my videos. Honestly, I'm extremely humbled. I have a little piece of band-aid right here under my chin. I accidentally hit myself in the face with a piece of 4x4. So just work slow, work smart sometimes. Don't have tunnel vision just looking at the thing that you're doing, but look in your surroundings as well. Thankfully everything is okay. So I had a lot of other things going on this week, but I just kind of didn't have time to. I was lazy. I was lazy to not charge my GoPro, so I apologize. I did do a lot of things this week, and I'll just try to go even more in detail and have a better voiceover on the next videos as well. So I appreciate you guys, and then any ideas you guys have of what I should be doing in my videos, hey, give me a comment. If I get like a really good comment or a really good idea, I'll probably send you guys something there, just because I'm just trying to try something new. And I appreciate you guys so much. Stay safe, and whenever you can, just give back to your community, and God bless you. Dios te bendiga. Take care, and go to church if you guys haven't gone to church in a minute. Alright, take care.
Amen to the King of Kings. Amen to the Lord of Lords. Amen to the one who gave his life for you and me. Amen. I pay that praise. Amen. I Señor de señores. Amen. Al que dio su vida en la cruz por ti, por mí. You have danced, I haven't danced. You have loved, I haven't danced. You feel alone, I haven't danced. His name is Jesus Christ. Que descanse, hay nada después. Tiene problemas, hay nada después.